stop by and take a look at the 2019 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.